Introducing the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus, the epitome of cleaning prowess and convenience. Let's delve into what makes this robot vacuum cleaner a must-have for any home. 1. Self-emptying base. Bid farewell to the chore of emptying your vacuum's dustbin frequently. With the self-emptying base, the Roomba J7 Plus can autonomously empty its bin for up to 60 days, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. 2. Powerful suction. Equipped with powerful suction, the Roomba J7 Plus tackles dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease, leaving your floors spotless on various surfaces. 3. Object avoidance technology. Navigate through your home effortlessly, thanks to advanced object avoidance technology. The Roomba J7 Plus intelligently maneuvers around obstacles and avoids pet waste, ensuring thorough cleaning without disruptions. 4. User-friendly app. Take control of your cleaning schedule with the user-friendly app. From remote control to scheduling and cleaning history tracking, managing your cleaning sessions has never been easier or more efficient. Experience the future of home cleaning with the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. Say hello to a cleaner home and goodbye to cleaning stress. Subscribe for more insights on cutting-edge home technology.